This is a 13 by 4 lace front wig, 26 inches, and the density, of course, is 180% density. All the hair information will be in my description box for you guys. As you guys can see, this was a super easy, quick install. All I used was hairspray. Normally, I use my Bold Hold Liquid Gold product, but this time I decided to just see if I could kind of get that same lace melt by just using hairspray, and it definitely is possible. So one of my favorite hairsprays to use is, honestly, I like the Got To Be the high Insta Hold one, you know, the new and improved version, since I no longer use the yellow one. But I feel like a better hairspray than this, not to say that this isn't a good one, but I would have to go with the Bedhead Hard Head hairspray. So that's what I used to install this wig. I've had this product for a while. I buy it all the time. It's a really good hairspray, and like I said, I can achieve the same melt as if I feel like I used the lace glue or something like that, because that's how flawless it is. So it's super easy, and you guys, this is a very strong hold hairspray. However, it comes right off with water, so it's like easy cleanup and all that stuff. So if you guys never tried to install your wig with the Bedhead hairspray, I would recommend that you guys try it out. Occasionally Ulta has it on sale, but even when it's not on sale, I still feel like it's definitely worth the investment. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know what it is that I used to install this wig. So a lot of flyaway hairs on this unit. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but I'm looking in the mirror. There's just so many hairs sticking up, and as you guys saw me doing the video, I did spray quite a bit of hairspray and then go over with my hot comb to see if they would lay down. I even went off camera and used, I don't have a wax stick, but I used like the Style Factor edge booster, and that really didn't do anything either. So it's not the products that I used or the methods that I tried. It definitely is the hair. It doesn't matter where I parted it at, especially when I was, you know, trying to get an idea of where I want to part it. There's just a lot of flyaway hairs in this unit, so that's kind of like a con with this hair. The hair itself is fine. Straight hair is pretty silky. It presses out really easily. I mean, like I said, the hair is nice and all that good stuff, and this is 180% density, and the hair is pretty flat. You know, you could definitely wear it into a ponytail, or, you know, whatever happened to this style where you just like get the clip and, you know, your hair is just fanned out. I used to really like that look, but this wig is full enough and also thin enough, if that makes any sense, for you to be able to pull it in a ponytail if that's, you know, what you want to do. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I know this video is kind of quick and simple, but like I said, you know, pretty much what I stated about the hair is all there is to know. It's straight hair. You can't really, you know, elaborate on that too much. So